Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications. Hello friends, welcome to Santa Duck. This is Arrow, and today we are back again with an unboxing video of MI home security camera. So let's get started. Before going to unboxing, let's check out the specifications for this device. This camera has a 360-degree rotation. It supports 1080p video recording, and it has a special feature called AI motion detection alert, according to which it starts recording a 10-second video clips if it is going to detect any motion or changes in the light intensity or any person inside the field of view. The most sweet spot for this camera, or the biggest sweet spot for this camera, is the night mode. It is working just like a charm. The night mode for this camera is unparalleled for any camera in this price range. It also works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa on our smartphones. This camera can be controlled by installing a MI home app on our smartphone, and both should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So why waiting, my friends? Let's jump right into the unboxing. Inside the box, we are getting an accessory box and main camera, which you can see. Let's keep aside the camera and let's check what the accessories that we get inside the accessory box. There is a charging cable which is pretty long. It seems it is a 6 feet long charging cable. We can see the quality is good. A wall mount and an adapter and some user manual. Well, let's check what is the wattage of this adapter. It seems like a 5 volt and 2 amp adapter, means it is a 10 watt adapter. This camera don't come with any inbuilt battery inside it, so it should be powered completely by AC or DC always. Well, the quality of this adapter is pretty nice. Let's check the camera. The camera itself comes in white color, and the main mobile lens inside the camera is black in color. Let's see. Let's tear up the cover. Well, under we are having a wall mount section where we can mount this camera onto the wall. There is a speaker on the back of the camera by which we can talk to any strangers who approach to the camera. And well, we can also hear the people, or we can also hear the audio of the people nearby. So this is how the wall mount fits into the camera. Let's check out how the wall mount fits. Well, it fits in like this, and we should rotate it until we hear a click sound. Well, it is pretty hard and very snappy, so it is a good wall mount. Okay, there is a charging port and a reset button. Okay, while waiting, let's power it on. Let's see what happens. The moment of truth. Let's plug. The port is perfect. It fits so well. Well, you can see there is an orange indicator that is blinking. Well, because this is the first time that we are starting this camera, it automatically calibrates itself by rotating a 360 degree turn, 180 degrees in each direction, and after that it starts blinking and asks for a QR code. Well, for that QR code we just need to install MI Home app, then sign into our MI account, click on add device, then select the Wi-Fi network that we are using and enter the password of that Wi-Fi network inside the app. Then it will generate a QR code so that the camera can pick up the username and password of the Wi-Fi from that QR code. So after that it can connect to the Wi-Fi and it will get connected to our phone. So let's start. Well, you can see the QR code here, just generated it. Well, the QR code is detected. You can check this out here. The indicator turned to blue. So we are good to go. The camera is connected. So you can see how the camera is working. Let's check the navigation controls. Well, you can see the video is pretty awesome. It's very high quality. Let's check out the night mode, infrared vision right now. We are going to turn off all the lights. So you can see all the lights got turned off. Now the infrared mode automatically gets kicked in. We can see the things pretty clear even in the pitch darkness. For our normal human eyes, there is not even a single ray of light that we can see inside the room at this point. But you can see inside the infrared vision how clear the things are. Till now this camera is pretty nice. It is a good bang for the buck. Really pretty cheap and high quality. It also had a talkback feature, which, like, if some strangers came to our home and we don't want them to come in, we can simply talk them just right there at the doorstep and we can send them back if it is not us or if they didn't came for us. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Press the bell icon to get latest notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest notifications.